What's up, Airkewld Army? It's your friend Pete with Airkewld, introducing you to a new series we're putting together, showcasing the stance of classic Volkswagens and the specifications to achieve something similar. Because we all have different tastes, this might not be your jam, but rest assured, the pros can help you. Today we are showcasing a 1962 Beetle out of Texas that has a rake stance, which means it's lower in the front and higher in the back. To achieve a similar stance under your pre-65 Beetle, a 4-inch narrow beam, dropped spindle, and disc brake combination is required up front. In the rear, the client chose a stock width transaxle, which is short axle, from a 65 and earlier, and matching disc brakes. Wheels are 17 by 6.5 with a 205/40/17 tire up front, and the rears are 17 by 8.5 with 215/45/17 tires. Back spacing on these wheels are 5-inch in the front and 4.5 in the rear. The suspension, brake, and wheel package can be built by the pros in a couple different ways. Individual parts and products as the budget allows, complete lowering kits along with complete disc brake packages, or the pros can assemble a complete front end, rotor to rotor, complete transaxle, rotor to rotor, ready for you to slap in. Wheel packages can be tailored to you in a color, finish, and texture palette, and the tires can be installed professionally. All these specs can be found in the credits at the end of the film, as well as in the description box below.